trailhead of a section of the Florida Trail known as Burnt Grocery Creek. I don't know what the story is with that name. But yeah, we're just going in for a night out in the wind here and waiting for my girlfriend to finish up and get ready to go. Nice to get out of that wind. These pines calm down a bit. Anyhow, I know we're going to be dropping into a low. I'm going to be dropping into a low area here. I am completely expecting to get my feet wet on this. All right.
Why, Brent?
Why? Why not? It's good to be out with Jason again. We haven't been able to get out shit since last summer, right? Go through from the northern terminus, go through this scrub pine, and eventually start a drop in this very dark, pretty woodland. Right. Yeah. Blazes are crazy. Oh wow. Hey, I think we have an elevation change. Or are we busting left? We are busting left.
Hard left.
Yeah.
Check it out, there's 3 instead of 2.
Yeah, for both ways. I have never seen a trail blaze so thoroughly.
What is the
This is
proper
blowing me.
name for that? Ravine?
Yes, I would call that a ravine.
And not a hollow.
Fungus. Good chance of that.
Long lines going.
Let's see that.
Imagine if a monkey came climbing down it. Any monkeys out here? There's a trail near Gainesville with monkeys. Wow, man.
We've been looking at these on the trail. You don't see these everywhere. They're not saw palmetto. I don't know what it is. I'm not even sure if that's a palm. And this is saw palmetto. See, it grows out in fronds on stalks that have a little sawtooth to them. Yeah, so we really don't know what type of plant that is, but it's pretty common. Yeah, we're having a good time here. This is a beautiful day, a beautiful, beautiful woodland. Very varied trail. Some little live oaks up there.
Hey! Hey!
The wind's really blowing these trees together, man. It's crazy. Hearing them crack against each other. Check these guys out.